Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of DXY US dollar currency index. So after making a low of 104.10, DXY is trying to recover. Right now, DXY is standing at 104.58. This is the current market price. So overall, the structure of DXY is still very much intact. We can see DXY is more or less maintaining the higher lows structure. Okay, but the problem is that DXY last time could not break the previous high. DXY showed a lower high on the chart. Usually in an uptrend market, when we get to see a lower high, okay, it signifies a trend reversal on the market. So this time, if DXY forms a lower high again, so it will be a symbol, not symbol. Who says symbol? It will show a possible trend reversal on the chart of DXY. Okay, because in all the charts you will see that before a trend reversal, okay, before complete trend reversal, market always forms lower high and market usually continues the pattern that way only. So next high of DXY will be very important. So DXY need to cross 104.80 level. If DXY breaks this level, then we will get the confirmation that the overall structure of DXY is intact. But in case DXY fails to break this high and starts falling again, then things will be very difficult for DXY, because there may be a possible trend reversal in the coming days. And if DXY shows downside, then two supports on the chart of DXY are 104.00 and 103.80 to 103.70. These two are the supports on the chart of DXY as of now. So next high of DXY will be very important. Now let's talk about GBP USD, and I've talked about DXY. Okay, so yesterday we expected a drop on the chart of the GBP USD, because we discussed about the possible head and shoulder formation on the chart, and we got our move as well. We got a big move as per expectation. Okay, so today we won't be, or we should not be trading on in this particular range of the market, because that opportunity is gone. Okay, so the other levels of GBP USD are still very much valid that we discussed yesterday. First of all, the support of 1.1850 to 1.1840. In case market shows a big drop in the coming days or today, then 1.184050 will be the most important support. If market takes support and bounces, we can definitely look for a buy position. But market is also showing a descending triangle pattern on the chart. Means the same problem of market forming lower highs in the market, but the overall trend of the market is towards the upside. Okay, so there's a contrast between the present trend and the overall trend, so you must be very careful while taking a sell position. So listen to me carefully. The next support on the chart of GBP USD is around 1.1920. Okay, but as market is forming lower highs, then there's a high chance that market will break this support here. If market breaks this support, we can look for a sell position, but you should be exiting by 1.1850. Usually we get to see a big sell. Or sell off after a descending triangle pattern, but in this case we are not going for a big sell-off, because the overall trend of the market is towards the upside. So if market breaks 1.1920 level, yes, you can go for a sell, but make sure to exit by 1.1840 to 1.1850, because this is a strong support on the chart. So if you're confused right now, okay, let me repeat again. If market breaks this support here, okay, let me change the color. If market breaks this support here, the support of 1.1820, you can look for a sell position because market is forming a descending triangle pattern. But the overall trend of the market is towards the upside. So as a result, you must be careful and try to exit by 1.1850 to 40 level because that is a strong support. If market bounces from a strong support level, you can go for a buy. So these two are trading opportunities on the chart of GBP USD right now. The third trading opportunity is around the trend line here. Why the trend line? Because the trend line is acting as a dynamic resistance for the market. So if market goes up also, if market goes up, then observe the market around this trend line. There's a high chance that market will face some selling pressure. If market reverses, just like the previous times, if market reverses, you can go for a sell. I cannot give you the exact number because this is a dynamic resistance. You need to draw this line on the chart, then only you'll get to understand. So just move to the 4-hour time frame or switch to 4-hour time frame and just connect these dots. Okay, just connect the highs made by the market and just stretch the line. Once you see market reversing from the trend line at the top, you can go for a sell position. So these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of GBP USD. As I always say, my dear friends, that please follow proper risk management. Be a trader, not a gambler. Capital protection should be your first priority always. So please follow proper risk management. And my dear friends, the world's most affordable forex trading workshop is back. Okay, I'll be conducting the 3 days workshop. Okay, 3 days workshop on 16th, 17th and 18th of March. The workshop will be conducted in both Hindi and English language. You can see that I have mentioned the dates, time and everything. And after the workshop, you'll also receive support for 1 month, one whole month. Okay, so if you also join now, okay, you'll be getting all the benefits of the Pro Trader program. And when the workshop will come, okay, you'll also receive support for another 1 month. So you'll get benefits for 1.5 month right now if you join now. So just move to the website and you'll see that there's a FAQ section so that you can understand whether the workshop will be useful or not. Because the workshop is not for complete beginners, I have designed a workshop only for those who have been struggling with the market, who are unable to make money in the market for a couple of months and years. I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. And you can see these are the reasons or benefits of joining the Pro Trader program. Don't get confused, Pro Trader program and workshop is the same. The workshop is just a part of the Pro Trader program. So if you really want to take up trading as a serious source of income, if you really like my work, then you can consider joining the workshop. Bye bye, take care.